Alright, so this is how I'm going to have my hair. I have two extremely thin pieces parted out, and then I created little anchor braids right here. Now, as you can see, when I parted my hair out, I put the anchor braid slightly back, and the front section has a kind of pivot this way where my edges are also out here. The reason for that is so that when I hook the wig on with the clips, it's kind of slightly behind, so that even when I put my hair down, it's not just depending on this section to cover it. It has a little bit of hair in the front here for extra coverage. And my edges are out, not a lot, just a slither of edges. So this wig is really good with the way they constructed it. Around the part, it has the thinnest section of hair. And when you get to the perimeter of the wig, the way the cap is constructed, it also has very nice coverage. So needless to say, this wig from Nadula Hair is actually giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? So before putting this wig on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. As you can see, after washing, it has this kind of crimpy texture, as if you had a kind of relaxer and your curls elongate a little bit, and you know, stuff like that. So now that I've finished blowing this hair out, as you can see, the texture has completely changed. It looks more like what you know Kinky straight would look like, right? It looks more like a Kinky straight. So now I'm going to blend my leave out, going back to the basics, Old Faithful Chi. Never gave me no damn heat damage. So as I blow it out, I'm gonna take like a very thin piece of hair from the wig, so that the two can fuse together as I blow it out. And I'm gonna use the tension method so as not to put way too much stress on my hair. So this is how the wig came out. Look at that part. Who can tell me that that's not my hair? And because of how flat and thin the area around the V part is. Look at that. You saw how thin, how a slither of hair was left out and it completely covered it. And you saw how thin the piece was in the front that I left out. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, I'm not gonna straighten my edges and stuff like that, but look at that. It's giving mine, okay? I absolutely love this wig. Listen, Nadula Hair, hit your girl up because, oh! So this video is completely unsponsored. I saw the wig, loved it, wanted to give it a try, and I'm so not disappointed. I'm gonna have the link to this hair down in the description box if you guys would like to purchase it, because girl, what? She's giving all sorts of things and fake is one. Let's talk about flowy, tangle-free, soft. This is dang near a perfect wig. The only thing left for me to test is how well it holds a curl. So I'm not gonna do that in this video, but click the video up in the cards if you wanna see how I style this wig, how it holds a curl, longevity and stuff like that. You know. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.